Baddies, welcome back to the channel. So I know I've been MIA, y'all. Work has been kicking my butt, but I'm here today with the cash stuffing. This is technically paycheck number 2 for this month, but this is the first one I'm stuffing for this month. I used my first one to LLC and trademark my business, and so this is the first one that will be going towards my sinking funds. I'm also going to be stuffing my cash envelopes, but my wallet is with my niece and she's not here, so I'm just going to set the money to the side and I'll put it in my wallet later on. So let's go ahead and get started. Also, if you're new here, my name is Jazz. I cash stuff. I'm an entrepreneur. I cash stuff weekly. I pay myself weekly. So you can expect like 2 to 3 videos per week from me, okay? So this paycheck was $1,100. I have wrote off my bills here. I don't separate those on camera. I just stuff my bill fund and then move the money to my little bill wallet. So we're going to skip past that section. We're going to head and move to our cash envelopes. There was nothing to take out because I was using my credit card for those last month. So this will be starting over fresh. So my gas fund will be getting $20. Okay. My groceries will get $75. Laundry will get $20. I think that's how I do it. No, 2 10s. Shopping will be getting $5. Let me zoom in so y'all can see that. And eating out will be getting 10. So like I said, I will go ahead and add this money to my wallet once it makes it back home, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video filmed while I had a second. So let's go ahead and move on to our sinking funds. So first up here we have this used to be our high priority funds, but I'm not so sure that's what it is anymore. But these are funds that I stuff pretty much every time I cash stuff. So first up here we have our savings, to which we'll be adding $110. And I always add 10% of whatever my income is, no matter what. I pay myself first. This money is budgeted before any other bills. That's just, you know, a thing I do for myself. So savings now has 1,000, 2,000, 100, 200, 300, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 760, 770, 780, 790, 800, 805, 810, 812, 813. So $2,813. And please don't pay my trackers any attention. I haven't updated them yet, but I will. Okay, next up is retirement, and again I've went ahead and changed the allotment for this one. To get $6,000 a year, I need to be adding $125 a week, so that's what I'll be doing from now on. And again, this money does not sit in this envelope all year. I go ahead and move over $125 every week from my account, and once this fund reaches 1,000, I deposit it back in my savings to recoup the money that I deposited during the month, so that I'm still investing and the money isn't just sitting here for nothing, if that makes sense. 1,000, 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 20, 40, 60, 80, 97, 710, 715, 720. So $1,720 in retirement. Okay. So for debt, we'll be adding our normal $50. And I know a lot of you guys ask me, what are you going to use this money for? Closer to the end of the year, I've decided I'm going to go ahead and pay off a few debts that I have. This year has not been a payoff debt year for me. It's been an established savings and grow your business year for my own peace of mind. So debt will be next year's journey. So 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 8, 850, 870, 890, 910, 915. So it's not that I'm completely ignoring my debt. I have paid off a few credit cards, and I'm like revolving my credit card debt right now to grow my credit. But as far as like student loan debt and any old debt, I'm not really too bothered with it right now. So to new whip, we're going to be adding $200. So there's 1, 2. Okay, so in here now we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 450, 470, 475, $4,475 in new whip, which is for a new car. I'm planning to buy a used car, looking in like the $15,000 range, just for now. I'm trying to not add on any additional debt right now, so I'll get a car when I get a car. So emergency fund, we're going to be adding $25 here. And I had someone ask in the last video what my goal for this was. I think I'm going to go ahead and turn this into my 6-month emergency fund, so it will have a goal probably around 10 grand. So 1,000, 100, 200, 3, 320, 340, 360, 380, 390, 395, 400, 401. So $401 in emergency. Excuse me, $1,401. Next is medical. Into our medical fund, we are going to be adding $35. If I can get in here. Okay. So there's a 20, 30, and 5. So our new total here, 102, 53, 54, 20, 40, 60, 85, 510, 515. So we now have $515 in medical. Our goal for this fund is $1,000. So we will keep stuffing until we reach $1,000 in here. For family time, our goal for this fund is $500, but I always manage to spend it. So we're gonna be adding $50 here. So we now have $150 in family time. My nieces showed up on me this past weekend, so I'll be taking some of that money out soon. I think I may have already taken some out. So that's it for this binder. And again, this is available. I think I still have a few left on baddiesandbudgets.com. Next up, we're moving on to these funds. So up first here, we have our miscellaneous fund. Into this one, we are going to be adding $25. So 25, and that gives us $75. And these kind of just come out. You could just pull them out. I was working with them earlier trying to get some change for my savings challenge videos. I don't want to go back to the bank. So travel, we're going to be adding $50 here. And my youngest niece is actually going to have her birthday party at a water park out of town. So we're going to go do that. So I'll be dipping into this money towards the end of this month. So 1,000, 100, 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 657, 720, 730, 735. So $1,735 for travel. And I'm super excited about it. We haven't been out of town in forever, and it's not really far. It's just a few hours away, but whew, I've been working hard. Mama needs a break. So to Jasmine's Essentials, we'll be adding $50. And so our new total here is 102, 3, 4, 455, 520, 540. So we now have $540 in here, and a big chunk of this is coming out because I did the most and went and bought me some perfumes. I went and picked up Gucci Bloom and another one I wanted. I think I got the Valentino Donna and Roma. So I gotta pay that back. But you know, I have this money here for those moments, so I'm not mad at it. Next up, we have gifts, and to gifts we're going to be adding $25, and this money is going to come out as well. It was just my niece's birthday and I spent some money on her, so her money is going to need to come out of here and go back into my bank account. Again, I don't count this because it's in these dividers that I got from my sis, Two Moms Budgets, and I just don't feel like breaking it all apart. But that just separates all my nieces by name. so that I can be sure to have money for everyone's birthday. So I added 25 to here, so we should be over 700. So Christmas, we're going to be adding $25 here as well. So 20 and 5. And so our new total here: 1, 2, 3, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 435. So 435 bucks towards Christmas, which is really good. And I know a lot of people are like, you have so much money in all the other funds but nothing in Christmas. Keep in mind, my Christmas was paid for with Fetch Rewards. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know, you just scan in your receipts to this app, and once you get so many points, you can redeem gift cards. And so I've redeemed $1,000 worth of gift cards to cover my Christmas, so my Christmas is paid for. This is just additional money for the just in cases, or if I want to help somebody at Christmas, something like that. So Rico, which is my pet turtle, will be receiving $5. I posted a picture of him on Instagram and people were like, I thought that was your kid. Girl, no, it's a turtle. 100, 150, 170, 180, 185, 190. And so, y'all, I meant to do shout outs at the beginning of this video. I am the worst YouTube friend. I'm gonna remember it for my next video. So for insurance, we're going to be adding $10, and this is just me planning ahead for car insurance for when I do get a car, another car. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Just to have this nest egg here, you know, because we pay our insurance in 6-month increments. So when I do get the car, you know, I'll pay this 6 months. So it'll be nice to already have it there. Car maintenance, because I am buying a used car, I wanted to have, you know, a little bit of a nest egg for, you know, changing the oil when I get it, and maybe new tires, you know, the things you need to do when you get an older vehicle. So Boobies, which is my breast reduction fund, if I could get it out, these nails are so long, we'll be getting $50, my last 50 here. Our new total, 102, 53, 50, 70. So we have $370 towards Boobies. I'm hoping to do this towards the end of the year, but I'm fat, so I need to lose weight first. And that's just been a struggle because I've been working so much. I've just been neglecting my health. Anyway, so y'all, why do I have so many 10s? Oh, I know why. For bills. So because I separate my bills later, I just decided, I was like, what did I do? I decided to get this in smaller bills so that it would make it easier to do it, so I don't have to go back to the bank. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 10. I'm actually going to take 2 more and leave a 10 out. I think that's what I did. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have $110 for bills. And it's only my smaller bills this week. So that's that. And last up, we have our household fund. And to this fund, we are going to be adding $15. And this just covers things we need around the house. We buy our toilet paper and stuff in bulk, so, you know, for Sam's trips or whatever. So 50, 60, 75, 80. Y'all, and the disrespectful flies back his cousin or something, because I know he hadn't lived that long. He only shows up whenever I bring out my light, so please forgive Frivolous Fred. All right, so that's it for, ooh, sucker, get away from me. I'm a Lysol him to death after this video. Hold on, y'all. Anyway, all right, so that's it for this binder, and that is it for this cash stuffing. I normally do my savings challenges at the end of this, but I do those in a new video, so you'll see that video later on this week. So that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for staying with me, stopping by, all of your support, all of your orders, all of the love you show. I appreciate you guys so much. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.